Spices! So in today's video, we are going to cook some frozen chicken wings in the air fryer. We are going to be making some buffalo chicken wings. So if you want to know how to make them for game day, let's go spice things up. What I have right here is a bag of frozen chicken wings, and you'll want to take your chicken wings and just put them in your air fryer basket, just like this. And of course, make sure you spread out your wings so there's a nice airflow. And into the air fryer it goes, and you'll want to cook it at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is what it looks like, and you'll want to go ahead and take your wings and turn them over. You can also shake them, and then they'll go right back into the air fryer, and you'll want to cook them at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. While your wings are cooking, you can go ahead and start on the sauce. You'll want to take Frank's Red Hot sauce and some butter. You want to use a half a stick of butter and a half a cup of the sauce. And then when your butter is all melted on the burner, your sauce is ready. And now your wings are ready to take out, and you can go ahead and place them in a bowl. And you want to take half of your sauce and put it over your wings. Go ahead and stir that up, and then back into the air fryer basket it goes. And we are going to cook it at 400 degrees again for 10 minutes. And of course, once your wings are done, we are going to go ahead and put them in the bowl again, and we're going to make sure the sauce is hot and pour the other half of the sauce over your wings. Go ahead and stir it up, and voila. As you can see, super easy to make, and of course, if you would like to watch any more videos on this channel, you can click here or here. And if there is any particular recipe that you don't know how to make and you want me to make on this channel, go ahead and comment below. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.